See that, guys and gals? Elegant, saucy. And there they are, guys and gals. So, how was the movie? Please go in here. Come on, guys. So, guys, we just finished watching Alien Romulus. And we're gonna ask these ladies how they find the movie. Okay. Who will be the one to do the first remarks for this movie? Okay. Ano masabi mo?
So scared.
Ano?
Can you be serious for a while? So what can you say about the movie?
So
Please get in here, guys.
Tagal mo, parang
Ano masabi mo sa movie?
nakakasaks.
Ano?
Shocks.
Shocking.
King.
Ano? Come on. What can you say about the movie?
Parang what is
So dark. Dark.
I'll be right I'll be right back with you. Okay. Ano masabi mo sa movie?